National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, Robeson County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, northern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, southeastern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elrod, or 13 miles southwest of Red Springs, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Marion, Dillon, Whiteville, Mullins, Elizabethtown, Red Springs, Pembroke, Fairmont, Tabor City, Maxton, St. Paul's, Shelburne, Bladenboro, Latta, Roland, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Sellers, and Boardman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sampson County in central North Carolina, eastern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dunn to 9 miles north of Jerome to Elrod, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. A gust to 60 miles per hour was observed at the Fayetteville Airport at 7:35 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Harrells, Godwin, Jerome, Eastover, Roseboro, Stedman, Garland, Newton Grove, and Wade. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.